Let's look at ways you can use open houses to build your business. First, think about how to market your open house to a large audience. Get your name and brand out there. There are many ways to market an open house, and you should explore them all. Employ the most appropriate methods for each home's particular circumstances. For a big impact, send 2 waves of direct mail postcards and emails, both before and after the open house. Send out the first email as an invitation. Let them know how to schedule a private appointment with you if they can't make the open house. Then, position your brand in front of leads in the neighborhood who didn't attend the open house by sending a post-open house mailer. It should say something like, "In case I missed you at the open house last Sunday, I want to make sure you have this information." Simply putting out signs the day of the open house is not enough to maximize your opportunity. Use the postcards in conjunction with signage, flyers, print ads, Facebook ads, or whatever is appropriate for the market.